What's up, guys? It's Matthew from Matthew's Fan Videos, and today what I have here to show you is this Lasko 20-inch box fan, model number 3733. I got this fan at Walmart. It was on sale for $17, and I've had this fan for about 5 or 6 years now, and it's in mint condition still, or somewhat mint condition. It still looks brand new, even though it's not brand new, because like I said, I did have it for a bit. So, I'll go ahead and show you guys the fan. Here's the front of it. Here's the side. Here's the back. And as you can see, there's a little feet right there. That's what prevents the fan from tilting back when you have it on high, or possibly even all of them. Right here, here's the motor. Here's the top. That's the knob for the speeds. It's a 3-speeder, by the way. Here's the carrying handle. And yes, there are scratches here, and the reason why is that because when I went to put this fan away, I had to wrap the cord around the handle. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is one of my favorite features about Lasko fans, is that they have the blue plug, which I think is really nice. It's a really good feature. And they say there's a fuse in it, but I don't know that for sure because I don't see it anywhere. And here, of course, is the other side. I'm going to have to do it the other direction because I don't want to tangle the cord up. Here's that. I'll also show you the bottom as well. Oh, it's upside down. Here we go. Here's all the information. This fan is from 2014 to 2015. It's a Type 1. It is, I don't know what the P stands for next to number 1, so if you guys could put that down in the comments, that'd be helpful. It's 120 volts, 60 hertz, 0.8 amps. And then, of course, here's that Intertech ETL thing. Every fan has that now these days. Just gotta make sure the cord's not underneath the fan while it's standing up, because if you stand the cord on the fan, it's gonna, or actually, I'm sorry, I got that backwards. If you stand the cord on the I got that backwards again. If you stand the fan on the cord, that's better. It'll mess up the voltage, and that's where it's gonna go, you know, crazy. Well, it's not going to mess up the voltage, but it's going to damage the cord, is what I meant to say. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and turn this fan on. So, here's high. Yup, as you can see with the feet in the back, the fan does not tilt back, because if those feet aren't on, the fan will just fall flat on its back. And as you can hear, it's a really loud fan. And it blows a lot of air, too, on high. Here's medium. Still blows a lot of air on medium. And here's low. This is a speed that you'd probably use if you're gonna use this fan while you're sleeping. It may not be the quietest, but hey, at least it's better than high. Because high, it's very loud. And let's go ahead and turn it off. Has a pretty good spin down. Well, there you have it. That is my Lasko 20-inch box fan, model 3733 from 2014 to 2015. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.